here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna get started on this. Your sister asked me for like, she asked Nanny actually, and then Nanny had me do it. Just write down what I do for Thanksgiving, step by step. I'm a mess. I'm looking at myself and thinking, whoa, I'm a mess. Okay, but I just kind of wanted to go over a few things, and this is where it would be so nice to have an overhead camera or like a GoPro, but I don't. All right, so I use these 32-ounce boxes of chicken broth in a stock pot. You can use like Swenson's or Swanson's or whatever it is. Any store brand will work. I just think it's better to stay away from the sodium free unless you've got somebody who has heart issues, because you're still going to want to salt this, and it's still not going to be salty enough even with the regular. So two boxes of this. We put this into here. I usually float a stick of butter. Here's my turkey. This is like some kind of fangled new thing. I don't really know. But it's an easy open. I am going to open this turkey bag up. I'm going to do it in this nice tin pan because it's lighter. And I'm going to get all of the juices from this butterball. There's a lot of juice in here. And I am going to put it into the pan and then transfer it into this pan right here. So I'll do that and then we'll continue to go. All right, I'm just gonna set this down and I'm gonna talk to you a little bit while it's videoing, and I can get done what I need to get done. Okay, so it doesn't matter what kind of turkey you got. Hopefully though, you guys have already defrosted your turkey and it's already like thawing and it's pretty much completely defrosted. I did not do that. I've had a lot of stuff on my caseload this year, and I've been crazy busy. So I didn't do it this year. So all I did was went down to the store and paid $1.59 or $39 for a 20-pound turkey that's already, it's called young turkey. It's fresh, it's not frozen. And so we're good to go. All right. So anyway, so I'm just gonna slip this bag out of the turkey. Oh boy, yeah, and I wanted to do that, and then also like, I'm gonna turn this guy around a little bit. Whoa, okay. And I'm gonna move that out of the way so you can kind of see what I'm doing here. So I've removed the bag off the turkey completely, and I'm going to move this turkey over into my roasting pan. And I will prepare him, but the reason that I did that is because now this pan is now full of juices that need to go into the gravy, into the giblet gravy. It's all the juice from the turkey, and I'm going to set this up like this, and I am going to pour all of these juices into, and that's from, it was inside the turkey bag, and we want to utilize that juice inside. And so we have really doubled our fluids now. I have half of a 8-quart stock pot that's full, and I'd say four not ounces, but 4 quarts was chicken broth, and the other 4 quarts is juices from the turkey. So there's that. And now I need to get the giblets out, and so I'm just going to take you along for the ride.